How to go from this to this.
Hello people. So I had a job cancelled, so today I wanted to get a few projects done, which I've been meaning to do on any quiet days. Now this is an EP3 lens which I replaced for a customer that was badly damaged by chemical burn, as you can see. That literally like acid. So that's from TFR. Now I have already a couple of times wet sanded that, but what I'm going to do today is go very deep, maybe like start with like 400 and see if that's enough to get rid of it. We will see. Right, even dry sanding 400, you can still see it there. See it? See that, the run marks? So I'm actually going to go 240. This should be interesting. Wet sanded 240 grit. You can still just see it. See there? That shows how deep. So what the cause was TFR left on in the sun. Probably not diluted at all. It's literally just burnt into the lens. As you can see, even down to 240 grit, you can still see it. The only other grit I've got is 60. Might as well try it. Nope, I found a 120. So that's the next stage before going as low as 60. Wish me luck. Right, that's 120. You can see how bad it was. So it's nearly there. I reckon you can still see it. Yeah, see it there? Like dribble marks. It's burnt so deep into the plastic. But usually 1200 is enough to get rid of most defects, maybe 800, and I'm on 120. Still see bits, but I'd say it's definitely getting there. Well, there's only one thing for it. Go the worst grit I have, 60 grit. Well, that's it. I've run out of wet sanding sheets. 60 is the lowest grit I have. So that, I think it's gone. You see how scratched that is now. Right, now can I work my way up back through the grits and actually get it clear again? We will see. Right then, so I've worked my way back up through these, which we originally used to get it down. So we're now up to 600. That's at this stage. So now I'm going to work my way up through these, get it nice and clear, and then polish it and seal it to finish. Let's see how it comes out. Right, here we are then. So I wet sanded it all the way through to a 3000 grit. It's pretty clear. And then I use my polisher, and this is a heavy cut 4000 to get it nice and clear. Okay, I've machine polished it, and the chemical burn is gone. Bit of crappiness inside, but as you can see, that is now a hell of a lot better. You see, it's the same light, the like acid burns on it. Saved.
This is for the girls getting money. This is for the girls that don't need no man. This is for the girls that's in love with themselves. This is for all the girls that done did it by themselves. This is for all the girls that's IMD, EPEND, and T. This is for all the girls that be living stress free. This is for all the girls on a mission like me.